Hi everyone, my name is Anna Mellon and I'm an honor student majoring in mechanical engineering and Spanish. So I studied at La Universidad de Jaén in Jaén, Spain. And Jaén is located in the south in a region called Andalusia. My internship was with a fluids lab in the university and I dealt with airflows and additive manufacturing. Rear tail fairings are an important aspect of creating more aerodynamic trucks. They allow for a cleaner transition of airflow between flow over the truck to open air behind it. And this is important because it reduces turbulence behind the truck, which causes low pressure area and creates a drag force that acts on the vehicle in the opposite direction of motion. By reducing the drag forces, the rear tail fairings allow for better gas efficiency. In turn, trucks may produce a smaller carbon footprint and companies can reduce gas expenses, so it helps save the environment while allowing companies to save money. My project consisted of designing rear tail fairing prototypes for a semi-truck. I used the Ultimaker S5, which is a dual extruder 3D printer to make these models. The second part of my internship required me to test the various models that I made to ensure that they worked. To do this, I attached the rear tails to a truck model mounted in a wind tunnel and observed the airflows from sensors mounted on the model and inside the wind tunnel. The lab gave me the equation that determined the shape of the rear tail, but other than that, I had the freedom to design the connection point between the rear tail fairing and the truck, as well as determine if the shape actually reduced drag, as rear tail fairings are typically straight, and to see if the flexibility and thickness were factors in making it more effective. So even though I studied abroad, I also took the time to explore Spain and the surrounding countries. I visited a total of 8 countries, not including Spain, but I definitely spent most of my time in Jaén. There, I was either climbing, learning how to play new sports such as volleyball or Spaniards' favorite, paddle, or exploring Jaén with friends. What really helped me become familiar with the Andalusian culture and the social norms of Jaén was the everyday life. Here, I learned how direct the locals are, where in customer service, they don't prioritize small talk, but if you start a conversation, they immediately warm up to you. I learned how difficult it is to understand the people of Jaén, especially those from surrounding pueblos, where they use distinction and pronounce the Z in zapatos like zapatos. They are also known to weaken or delete sounds. This is done by aspirating the S or even dropping it completely. The D is also often elided, so the word cansado would become cansao. The letter J is pronounced similarly to an H sound in English, and of course you can't forget the most well-known aspect of Spain Spanish, the use of vosotros. All of these aspects and more make up the charming and challenging to comprehend accent of Andalusia. Thank you for listening to the brief introduction to my project and my experience in Spain, and I hope to see you all at the summit. Bye.